Yeah. So we're having one of those days today. So we've just got to the park and ride. Never used the park and ride before. Thought that would be a good idea. And the bus has broken down. So now we're walking. We paid for the park and ride car park, which is a £5, and we're walking now to find a bus stop, which might take us down into Dartmouth. Hopefully, we'll get there. So here we are in Dartmouth. Oops, dropped my stick. Here we are in Dartmouth, and a bit of a rigmarole getting down here with the bus, but we're here now. It's all good. Very, very busy. Still very touristy this time of year. And just go and have a little walk around, find something to drink. A little harbour area called the pontoon area. Steamboat going past. Beautiful day.
On the slip in a minute.
So this is the small ferry. Small ferry that takes you over the Dart River. All the foot passengers are getting on. The car's just about got on. That view. So just walking around Dartmouth, and we're coming along the sea wall here, which is where the harbour is, which is where a lot of, back in the 1500s, a lot of the naval ships came in. You see loads of cannons dotted along the front here to show that it used to be a military place and a well protected place. Very pretty area, incredibly busy, so many people around. I guess the schools have gone back, but the older sort of generation like myself will get out in September instead now. So this is all like a cobbly street leading up to the little fort at the end. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you. Yes, it's all old cobbles along here. Bumble's enjoying himself, isn't you, boy? Hey? Being that next to the sea. Some beautiful buildings along here. These cottages are lovely. I wonder what that'd be worth. A lot of money, especially ones on that side as well with the view. What, here? Oh, out there.
This is a fort.
Yeah, just out. I don't know if you can see it out there. Just there. There's a castle there. This is the fort. I'm just going to read to you what it's about. So this is a 16th century fort built by the Borough of Dartmouth, containing heavy guns to protect the town from enemy ships and trading rivals and pirates. I'm just going to walk in. Little archway. And loads of gun turrets, holes. Look through. There you go, there's a view from right there. All over the scene. Bayard's Cove Fort was built to protect the ships and warehouses of Tudor Dartmouth against the attack from the river. It was equipped with heavy guns to fire at hostile warships. Pretty cool. Go over here. So I always try and link my talks to dogs, don't I? So this one is Humphrey Gilbert, 1539 to 1583, and he was the courtier to Queen Elizabeth I's reign and served in France and Ireland. In 1583 he colonised Newfoundland, and thus founding Britain's overseas empire. He was later lost at sea, crying out, "Where I was near to heaven by sea as by land." Getting ready for Halloween. Pumpkins are out.
Yeah, I saw that.
Stunning old building.